Hello, this is the 2016 AMC 10A Problem 6. Jimena lists whole numbers 1 through 30 once. Emilio copies Hinama's numbers, replacing each occurrence of the digit 2 by the digit 1. Jimena, I think it's a Spanish name. Jimena adds her numbers and Emilio adds his numbers. How much larger is Emilio's sum than Emilio's? Okay, so we have these two people, X and E, and they both list their numbers 1 through 30. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, on and on and on. And so, for example, I have the number like 12. Emilio would replace the 2-digit with the 1-digit, so he would have 11. And for 22, it would also have 11, and for 21, it would also have 11. Just examples of 11s for you. There are, of course, other numbers. I just have 11s. Okay, so first thing we need to decide is we have the tens unit, and we also have the ones unit. Since we're in base 10, a number here and a number here. This one's 10 times greater than this. That's base 10 for you. You could also write this 10 to the 0 and 10 to the 1, in case you know what that is, whatever. Anyways, it's not quite important. The most important part here is first I need to figure out in the numbers 1 through 30, how many are in here, how many have the 2's in tens, how many have the 2's in 1. So for the tens, that would be 20, 21, 22, on and on and on, to 29. And there are 10 values right there. So we have 10 right there. And so if those 2-digit numbers are replaced by a 1-digit, the value is getting subtracted by 10 times. So we have, right now the difference between the two is 100. An important thing to notice is that we aren't actually trying to find Jimena's number and Emilio's number. We just need to find the difference of that. I'm sure that you're all familiar with that. It's a popular trick in mathematics. You don't actually need to solve the whole thing. You just need to answer the question. So with regards to the tens digit, there are 100 different, their numbers are 100 apart. And with regards to the ones digit, we have the numbers 2, 12, and 24. So that's 3. So it would be 100 plus 3 to get our grand total of 103. So the difference between Jimena's and Emilio's numbers is 103. Now, I'm sure that there are some tricks for counting numbers 1 plus 30, and it would be a little bit more complicated, I'd assume, to count Emilio's numbers, but you could also do it that way. However, this way is much more mathematical and self-rewarding. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.